ChuChu TV!
Welcome back to the carnival, my friends!
Are we in for a special surprise today?
Oh, yeah! This stall is going to be a lot of fun!
Wow! We can't wait!
Come on, let's go!
Yay! Yay! Look! It's a workshop! That's our city bus! Is it getting fixed, Mr. Harlow?
We'll fix it by pressing this magic button. What do you think?
Okay! Hi!
Now, let's open these eggs one by one.
Yes! Pick me! Okay! Thank you! Let's open it up and see what's inside. 1, 2, 3! That's a yellow egg! Yellow! Wow! What could be inside? Open! 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 Surprise! It's a wheel! Did you know that the wheels make the bus roll? Yes! Wow! Pick me! Okay! Thank you! Shall we open this egg? Yay! There's an orange egg inside. Orange! Okay, shall we see what is inside this one? Open, 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 surprise! Those are windshield wipers! Yay! Windshield wipers help keep the windshield clear when it rains. Shall we open this egg now? 1, 2, 3! That's the brown egg! Brown! Let's open it! Open! 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 Surprise! It's a horn! We honk the horn to let people know that the bus is coming. Yes! Thank you! Come on! Let's open it! Open! 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 Surprise! To steer and turn the bus! Yes!
Wow. What do you think? Shall we take a tour around the town?
Round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. switch on the wipers. The wipers and the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers and the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The people on the bus